how I make bath time feel like a mini vacation. These tropical scented bath bombs are super easy and totally relaxing. Hey, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and I'm all about helping you make natural products that you'll actually use and totally fall in love with. Today we're making these lime and coconut Bliss mini bath bombs, little fizzy escapes that leave your skin feeling soft and your mind feeling refreshed. And guess what? Everything you need to make this tropical treat is inside the DIY bath and spa recipe box. When you subscribe, you'll get a fresh theme box every month, plus a free big bonus box full of extra DIY essentials to keep you going. And if you're not ready to commit, you can grab all these ingredients anytime at simplyearth.com. Store-bought bath bombs can be packed with fake fragrances and dyes, not exactly what you want to soak in. These mini bombs are pure natural goodness, just real essential oils, pure ingredients, and skin-loving oils. Turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's make lime and coconut Bliss mini bath bombs together. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. From your box, 1 tablespoon of citric acid. This helps create that signature bath bomb fizz. 1 tablespoon of Natrasorb bath powder. This holds and releases essential oils into the bath water. 2 teaspoons fractionated coconut oil. This helps to moisturize and softens the skin without leaving a greasy feel. 4 drops lime essential oil. It's bright, fresh, and oh so energizing. And a bath bomb mold to give your creations their cute shape. From your home, you will need a 1/4 cup of baking soda. This softens the water and the skin. A 1/4 cup of cornstarch. This gives a silky bath water feel. 1/2 teaspoon of water. This helps bind it all together. Let's get making. In a small medium bowl, mix together a 1/4 cup of baking soda, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of citric acid, and 1 tablespoon of Natrasorb bath powder. In a small bowl, stir together 2 teaspoons of fractionated coconut oil, 4 drops of lime essential oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of water. Slowly add the wet mix into the dry ingredients, stirring constantly to avoid any fizzy reactions. Squeeze the mixture in your palm. If it holds its shape, it's ready to pack in the mold. It should feel like wet sand. If it doesn't, add a little more fractionated coconut oil and stir until it reaches a consistency that holds its shape well when squeezed. Fill each half of the bath bomb mold. Lightly pack it in. Sprinkle a little extra mixture on top. Press the mold together firmly until they meet all around. That's what gives the bath bomb its shape. Gently tap on the mold with the spoon to release, then carefully lift it off. Set your bath bombs out to dry for 24 hours. They're fragile at first, but will harden up beautifully. Make sure to store them in an airtight container until they're ready to be used. While bath bombs have a long shelf life, they have stronger reactions when they're used after they're freshly made. Oh, that fresh lime smell. It's like a tropical vacation in a bath. If I can make these lime and coconut Bliss mini bath bombs, you can make this too. So now it's your turn. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it with #IMadeThis, tagging From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured. Bringing the tropics to your tub. Grab your DIY bath and spa recipe box from Simply Earth today. If you love this recipe, like and subscribe, and check out even more natural DIYs coming up next.